In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove employee on Gusto. This process is useful when someone is no longer joining your company or when you need to clean up your onboarding list so it stays accurate. Before you remove anyone, take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct person. Removing the wrong employee can create confusion for your records and your team. It also helps to make sure you are signed into the correct company account in Gusto, especially if you manage more than one. To begin, go to your Gusto dashboard and look for the main navigation menu. Click People. This is where Gusto keeps your employee and contractor information, including individuals who are still in the onboarding stage and have not fully started. Once you are in the People area, find and click the Onboarding tab. This tab is specifically for people who are currently going through setup, such as completing personal details or signing documents. Keeping this section up to date is important because it helps you avoid sending reminders to the wrong person and keeps your workflow organized. Next, locate the employee you want to remove from onboarding. Select the employee name to open their profile or onboarding details. Move carefully here and double-check the name you clicked, especially if there are similar names listed. After you have the correct employee selected, look to the right side of the screen for Actions. This is typically shown as a small menu icon with 3 dots. Click Actions to open the list of available options for that person. In the menu that appears, click Remove People from the team. This will remove the person from your team in Gusto's onboarding area. If you see any confirmation message, read it fully so you understand what will be removed, then proceed as prompted. Once you are done, you can return to the onboarding list and confirm that the person no longer appears there. That covers everything you need to know.